Hi, welcome to question 35 of the STARR review. The table shows the linear relationship between the number of hours Francis worked, X, so this one is X, and the amount of money Francis earned, Y. So we have this table. Based on the table, how much did Francis earn per hour? So let's look at this table. For each column, there's a pair of X and Y. There are three pairs of X and Y. And they represent the relationship between number of hours worked and the amount earned. So to find out how much money Francis earns per hour, we just use the pair of X and Y. We can divide the amount earned by the number of hours. Say we can use this 1750 divided by 1.25 hours. So that will give us how much Francis earned per hour. And we can also use the second pair, which is 5250 divided by 3.75. This should give us the same answer. Or we can use the third pair, 77 divided by 5.5. Okay, let's verify. 1750 divided by 1.25. That's $14 per hour. And second one, 52.50 divided by 3.75. That's also $14 per hour. The last one, 77 divided by 5.5. That's also 14. So the answer is always $14 per hour. And it's always the same because, as we said, for a linear relationship, the ratio between X and Y, they are always the same. So that's the property of linear relationship. So this rate is always the same. And so that's $14 per hour, and the answer is B. So that concludes our solution for question 35. And today's Friday, so I wish everyone have a great Friday and enjoy the weekend. Peace.